Hey guys, remember earlier we were talking about do's and don'ts when it comes to cutting trees. This is how you do it. Alright, so that's where you start. See how that's about halfway? Alright, now this tree has got a natural lean and it's got more branches on this side, so I know it's going to fall this way. Okay, but I cut it at a little bit of an angle because I want it to fall that way, because that's my work area. I'm collecting dust over there. Alright, so let's see what happens. Whew, that was steamy. Kind of humid out here today. Oh, which incidentally is some of the most dangerous kind of heat, because your sweat never wicks off of you. It just stays sticky. So hydrate or die out here. Ah, crystal clear. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how it's done. Stay tuned, and as always, stay salty.